how to fix Skype audio problems on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Skype audio problems on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and here just type Skype and then click on it, and now click force stop and then click storage, clear cache, and after that just click permissions, and as you see here you will find the microphone. Click on it and click allow and then click phone and allow, and that's it. Now just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, then all you need to do just go to Play Store and check if there is an update here, and then just update your Skype. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.